Imagine a drone so powerful, it redefines what's possible in both the skies and the industry. One that merges ultra-precise mapping capabilities with cinematic-grade performance. The rumored DJI M40 Series is not just a drone. It's a technological leap that might reshape the entire aerial ecosystem. Whether you're a professional surveyor, a filmmaker, or a drone enthusiast, the whispers surrounding the M40 series have sparked global anticipation, and for good reason. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the DJI M40 series, its purpose, its rumored specs, real-world impact, and why this drone might just be DJI's next big disruption. But before we lift off, make sure to subscribe to this channel for the most up-to-date camera and drone rumors, reviews, and analysis. Now, let's take flight into the details. To understand why the DJI M40 series is getting so much attention, we need to look at the foundation it's built on, the DJI Matrice line, particularly the M30 and M300 series. DJI has long dominated the aerial ecosystem, not only in consumer drones, but also in enterprise, mapping, surveying, and inspection technology. From the ultra-reliable Matrice 200 series to the advanced M300 RTK, DJI has continually raised the bar. These drones weren't just about flying. They were platforms for real-world industrial applications, delivering reliability in high-stakes environments. With the M30 series, DJI pushed toward a more compact form without compromising professional capability. Now, the rumored M40 series appears to be the next evolutionary step, combining power, precision, and portability in a way we haven't seen before. Every product in DJI's enterprise segment serves a purpose, and the M40 series seems to be DJI's answer to a growing demand in the mid to heavy industrial drone category. Professionals across fields like surveying, energy inspection, public safety, and agriculture are demanding drones that offer extreme precision with improved portability. The M30 series offered compactness, but was limited in payload flexibility, while the M300 was powerful but bulky and required setup time. This created a gap, a need for a drone that delivers the muscle of the M300 with the deploy-and-go speed of the M30. Moreover, with competition emerging from other enterprise drone manufacturers, DJI is under pressure to innovate faster. The M40 series is rumored to strike this balance, serving professionals who need rugged hardware, real-time data accuracy, and the flexibility to adapt to field conditions without complex logistics. The rumored specs of the DJI M40 series suggest an impressive leap in performance and utility. Each expected feature, if true, brings significant changes to how professionals work. One of the standout rumors is the integration of a hybrid sensor payload, potentially combining a high-resolution wide-angle camera, a zoom lens, and a thermal sensor in one gimbal. This would mean real-time situational awareness with visual and thermal data simultaneously. Imagine a rescue team scanning a collapsed building, not only seeing structural damage in ultra-clear detail, but also detecting human heat signatures through walls. That's the kind of impact a hybrid payload could have. Another major feature could be RTK precision with centimeter-level accuracy, which would revolutionize surveying and mapping. If DJI pairs this with improved GNSS capabilities and cloud synchronization, large-scale topographic surveys could be completed in hours instead of days. A single drone flight could replace dozens of man-hours in the field, especially for industries like mining, civil engineering, or disaster response. There are also rumors of flight time of up to 50 minutes, depending on payload. That's not just a number, it's a game changer. Picture an infrastructure inspection team scanning hundreds of meters of railway without landing once. That kind of endurance can radically increase productivity and reduce operational costs. In terms of flight stability, DJI is rumored to be introducing next-gen obstacle avoidance sensors with enhanced AI-powered path planning. In practice, this means a drone that intelligently adjusts its route based on terrain and unexpected obstacles, perfect for complex urban or industrial zones where manual control could be risky. Another exciting rumor is the modular body design, similar to the M300, but with a lighter carbon fiber composite frame. This would allow operators to swap payloads, batteries, and even arms or landing gear for specific missions. Imagine a field technician in the mountains who needs to change the thermal payload to an RGB camera in less than 2 minutes. That's the kind of modular convenience that could make the M40 a field favorite. Now let's talk about what it might cost and when we could see it. Based on DJI's previous pricing structure, the M40 series could fall somewhere between $10,000 and $15,000, depending on the payload configuration. While this positions it in the high-end professional range, it's still a compelling offer compared to traditional survey equipment or helicopters with similar capabilities. As for the release date, DJI's product cycles suggest a mid to late 2025 announcement, possibly around a dedicated DJI Enterprise event or a major tech expo. Several insiders suggest that field testing is already underway in select industries, hinting that DJI is fine-tuning the drone before its global debut. This question depends entirely on your use case. If you already operate the M300 or M30 series and need payload flexibility, longer endurance, and precision in one package, the M40 might be worth the wait. On the other hand, if your needs are immediate and your work doesn't demand multi-sensor fusion or ultra-long flights, the M30 or even the Matrice 350 RTK might still serve you well. But if you're planning a fleet upgrade or entering the enterprise drone space for the first time, waiting for the M40 might give you access to DJI's latest innovations without the limitations of previous platforms. The M40 isn't just about specs. It represents a future DJI is steadily building. A future where drones become autonomous agents in construction, disaster management, agriculture, and logistics. We're moving toward a world where drones collect data, analyze it with AI, and integrate it into cloud systems in real time. DJI knows this. With competitors slowly catching up, DJI must create not just better drones, but smarter systems. The M40 is rumored to be a part of that vision, where drones are deployed, not flown, where intelligence matters more than raw specs. It's about the ecosystem, payloads, real-time mapping, edge computing, AI-assisted flight paths, and software integration with platforms like DJI Terra and Flight Hub 2. And that's everything we know so far about the rumored DJI M40 series. From potential breakthroughs in flight time and camera capabilities to smart tracking features and next-gen obstacle avoidance, the M40 is shaping up to be more than just another drone. It could be a complete game-changer for aerial professionals, filmmakers, and creators across the globe. If even half of these leaks and rumors turn out to be accurate, this drone won't just raise the bar, it could redefine what's possible in the skies. If you found this deep dive informative and exciting, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and lets us know you want more content like this. And hey, if you're into drones, cutting-edge camera tech, or just love staying ahead of the curve when it comes to creative tools, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell icon so you never miss a single update. We've got more videos coming soon that you won't want to miss, including exclusive breakdowns, future rumors, hands-on reviews, and much more. Now, let me ask you, what feature or rumored upgrade in the DJI M40 series caught your attention the most? Is it the flight time, the enhanced image quality, the rumored AI features, or maybe something else entirely? And here's the real question. Would you upgrade to the M40, or are you sticking with your current drone setup for now? I'd love to hear your thoughts, predictions, and even wild speculations in the comments below. Let's get the conversation going. I read every single one. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, fly smart, stay inspired, and keep creating magic from above.